Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I reveal my new purse for 2024, I just want to say Happy New Year to each one of you guys. It's 2024, New Year and new purse. So anyway, as you guys could see right here, I guess you guys are all familiar with the dust bag. Right here, I got this from Fashion File. I have been eyeing this purse in such a long time. I think this is a perfect time for me to add it on my collection. So anyway, let me reveal right here. Oh my gosh, the color. Woo! So you guys can see, this is the Fashion File dust bag. Wow. Oh my gosh. The color is stunningly beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. She's stunning. She's gorgeous. Wow, I can't believe it. Wow. So let me just give you a 360 look on this new beauty right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. The color is amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right. Okay. So I got this from Fashion File. And I was so happy that finally I will be able to add this in my collection. However, when I received the purse itself, I don't know, for some reason, they just fold the bag. I don't know, for some reason, when they ship it out, they fold the bag. It's like this part right here, so you guys can see, you could still see the creasing of the purse. I have actually opened, as soon as I open it, right away, I called them and I told them about how bad their, I don't know, how bad their packaging are. And guys, I don't need those confettis. Confettis does not really help protect the item. This is a luxury bag. They should have at least try to, you know, improve their packaging. They put some cushion inside. They put a protection to protect the purse itself, right? But they put this confetti. I don't really care about the confetti at all. That doesn't really help to protect the purse itself. There is no stuffing inside. They fold it just like this. See the creasing right there? I did try to correct it, but you could still see it. And oh my gosh, they said like, oh, we are on the website where we actually disclose everything, whatever, and then whatever you see on the photos, the stock photos, that's what you were getting. And it's like, I don't know, it's okay. They said they disclosed it, but at least put some cushion inside, protect the bag. All right, we're paying thousands of dollars for this one, yet the packaging is awful. So anyway, and wow, for a gorgeous bag like this, they just fold it during shipping with no protective bubble wrap or anything to it. Seriously? And you're gonna pay thousands of dollars to it? I have to pay an extra fee for the packaging. I'll do it. Yeah, of course. I'll pay for an extra packaging. But their packaging is awful. And they put it in a really small bag. They put it in a really small box. That was just like, I don't know. It's like, it's so weird. They put it in a box that was just like the same size as the purse itself. Like seriously. So yeah, I was really disappointed with Fashion File lately. So anyway, let's go back to the purse itself. Okay. Wow. Wow, I still can't get over how beautiful it is. So anyway, this is a Louis Vuitton Empreinte Punoff in a size MM in a puppy color. Wow, just by the color, I am so happy with this purchase. Yet, let me see. So this one has somehow there is a pocket right here in front. Right here, it has a zip pocket right here. I'm not really sure the purpose of this one. Maybe, I'm not sure, because this part right here, it's actually, yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm not really sure about this. Pretty much like I won't be using it apparently. And then this one has a silver hardware over right here, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris right there, which was debossed as well. And this one has 2 Toron handle, a very, very slim handle right there. It came in with a clochette as well. And on the side, this one is actually plain empreinte on the side. And at the back as well, oh, those beautiful monogram. Wow. So this one is just, this one doesn't have a pocket right here, just right here on the front, just like that. This is very well crafted. I love that it is structured bag. I really love it. And on the side as well, this is just made up of this really soft empreinte leather right there. This one has a leather pull tab on the zipper, which is nice. And let's take a look at inside. All right. As soon as you open the purse, oh, this one has a top zip closure. I love the fact that this one has a top zip closure. Very nice. It also has this pull tab right here with the hardware and the leather as well. And as soon as you open the purse, wow, look at the color right there. So this one is actually, the interior is lined with a striped red fabric. So you guys can see right there, it's beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. I love the fact that everything is in red. So anyway, so I got the one that's made in Spain. The interior has a side pocket right here. All right. And pretty much there's only one pocket inside. So it has a really large opening right there. And it came in with a strap, which has the empreinte. Yeah, it's a leather strap. Very nice. Very roomy. Very, very roomy. Another pocket. Yeah, there is another slip pocket right here. So 1, 2, 3 pockets. The other one has a zipper pocket, and this one's more of like a slip pocket right here on this side. All right. So yeah, I didn't even notice that because, you know, the previous owner for this one probably did not use the pocket. So it hasn't been like stretch. You could tell. And now we have, yeah, this is the strap. It is actually adjustable. Very nice. It's still in great condition. I must say that the condition for the purse itself is actually really good. And on top of that, the color is still vibrant. All right. And my favorite part is definitely has a feet. Wow, the feet is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So this one has a 4 protective feet as well in a silver hardware. Wow, I like the fact that this one has a very minimal hardware. Very lovely. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Okay, and this one has, let's take a look at the glazing. So the glazing seems like it's holding up pretty well. There's some sort of like started to bubble right here on the side. And then on the other side as well, yeah, it's white residue from, I don't know where that's from. But overall, the condition of the purse is really, really good. I love that it is structured. I love that this I'm not really too crazy about silver hardware, but for this one, I think it is pretty. It is gorgeous. I love the structure of it. I love the color. I love the embossing with the monogram all around. It is so elegant. Wow, I love the top zip closure, the opening, the interior. It has a little bit of stain inside, but that has been disclosed that there is a pen mark to it. But I'm not too worried about that. It is I got it from a pre-loved market, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect. All right. Oh my gosh. But the only problem, well, I don't think it's a problem. It's is that I still can't get over how they shipped my item, how they ship this in a smaller box and fold it. I can't get over. Still, I can't get over how did they do that? You know, I mean, even I always believe and I always think that when you're buying a luxury purse, they should be handled with care. I think so, and especially this is a few $1,000s purse, yet it should be handled with care. You know, I mean, I'm not sure if it costs so much to put some bubble wrap inside to retain its structure. Yet I don't know. I was just disappointed with their business. I was just disappointed at how they shipped this item. I mean, I wasn't very happy, but right now, I think this can be corrected. I believe this can be corrected, the crease right here. And she's stunning. Look at the back. The other side of it is perfect. It's flawless. And then this side, it's okay. But they fold it, like literally fold the purse right in the right here in the corner, right here, the creasing. They just literally fold it like that. Like, that is awful. Oh my goodness. So anyway, this is my new purchase, my new purse for 2024. And she's gorgeous. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.